Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and I'm here with glasses on in the Wall Street studio. And yes, I'm ready to roll. And in case you want to know, this is not recorded earlier. Yes, the markets, they're officially closed. That means it's after 4 o'clock, and therefore there is no early celebration. The markets, they're up. My emotions and confidence, they're also up. And you know what else is up? Or who else is up? That's right, the New York Mets lead in the NL East. But back to business and cheer, because it's happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks, they continue to jump and retained those gains this Wednesday afternoon, attempting for a second day to bounce back from a historic plunge as investors took in a solid durable goods report and even more stimulus measures in China. So let's start with the durable goods report. Orders in July rising 2.2% above the expected 0.1%, but that was also down from the 3.4% gain last month. Meanwhile, overseas, China's central bank saying it had injected 140 billion yuan, that's about $21.8 billion, into the interbank money market. That injection is also in addition to the People's Bank of China lowering interest rates and the reserve requirement ratio yesterday by 25 basis points and 50 basis points respectively. Now, in an Asian market roundup, the Shanghai Composite, despite the measures, closing down 1.3% after fluctuating throughout the day. Meanwhile, the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index, that also closed lower, while Japan's Nikkei finally reversing course and trading 3.2% higher. And the U.S. dollar today holding mildly higher against its counterparts. Crude oil futures settling down 71 cents. That's 1.81% lower over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, and gold futures ending down about $14 at $11.2460 a troy ounce. And you combine all of that to have yourself a session right now where 3 stocks have advanced for every 2 decliners over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have closed out this volatile session. And in individual stock moves, shares of Syngenta diving 18%. That's in the red, 18%, after Monsanto said its $47 billion bid to buy the Swiss rival fell through. And for more corporate reports, check out our earlier Market Movers report hosted by ModernWallStreet.com's own Lelda Smits. And we end on sports. The Mets tonight can sweep the Phillies in Philadelphia. Let's go Mets, and congrats to the world 100-meter champion Usain Bolt, who now reached the 200-meter final. And I guarantee you he's going to win that as well. From ModernWallStreet.com saying I'll see you guys in the morning, I'm James Sweeney. By 5.5 million barrels for the week ended August 21st. Therefore, we had crude oil this afternoon for delivery in October over at New York Mercantile Exchange, dropping 53 cents. That's